This is the 2025 Brewtubers Online Brewers Club Malt Experiment, Amber Ale. Thanks to our sponsors. 5 Star Chemicals. Check out their new online straight-to-consumer homebrew shop where you can buy everything from Star San and line cleaner to the new liquid PBW that can be used at temperatures as low as 58 degrees Fahrenheit. Check out their online store at 5starchemicals.com/home-brewing. Beer and Wine Hobby Homebrew Supply Store. A local homebrew shop in Danvers, Massachusetts. Order any malt they offer in any quantity you want, and if you order before 11 a.m., they'll package your items and ship out the very same day. Visit the store at www.beer-wine.com. Let's get tasting.
What's going on, guys? Nick Lesagor here, Exit 12 Homebrew in the house, and I'm here with a beer review for the 2025 Brewtubers Online Brewers Club Malt Experiment Amber Ale. The third one here in the series, 5.1% ABV, 33 IBUs from my boy and yours, mostly my boy, Irondale Brewing. Matt from Irondale Brewing in Washington. He used 12.6% amber malt from Simpson's. Simpson's believes that amber malt is probably the most versatile malt in their portfolio in terms of roasted malts. It can be used in a wide variety of beers. Biscuity, toasty notes is what I'm expecting. Gives a beautiful brown hue, what I'm expecting. Good for dark beers, lighter ales, and lagers. It brings a clean, crisp dryness to balance delicate floral hops and increases foam stability. So, something that I'm really excited with this beer. Let's see how the foam stability is. Let's see how the dark brown appearance is, and we'll see what this can add to the amber ale. I did leave about 4 ounces in the can. As you can see, that beer is looking nice. You can pretty much see the Fermentation Adventures logo in the background, which is very nice. On the other side of the glass, rather, I should say. Sticking around at a 1/4 finger head, which is nice. Nice carbonation, some bublés coming up there really nicely. Some decent lacing, which is nice. This is a lighter beer. This looks lighter than mine and Kurt's. Let me see if I can get this under some light here. I don't know if that's helpful or not. That is a nice looking beer. Let's get the aroma. Oh, nice. Yeah, I don't know if it's because I read it, but I am getting like heavy biscuit aroma on this. Really, really nice earthy kind of character from the hops coming off. Almost Kit Kat-y. I get like a Kit Kat thing going on, like chocolate Kit Kat. As opposed to cotton candy Kit Kat. I don't know. They got other flavors of Kit Kat, I'm sure of it, in other countries and things. There are websites where you can find that out. There are candy websites that sell different flavored Kit Kats. I'm sure of it. Really nice aroma. Amber ale through and through. That biscuit aroma is coming through nicely. That real sweet kind of aroma. Yeah, and that earthy tone really coming through for me nicely. I'm going to dive in. L'chaim. That is very, very nice. Really nicely balanced. Wow, that's really nice. This did just come out of my Keezer. Oh, that's fantastic. Poppy. Pop. That carbonation coming through nicely. Really lending. It is on the higher end of carb, which I prefer. Now, in terms of it offering head retention, I'm not necessarily getting that. The biscuit malt's supposed to add some head retention. I will say it's very nicely carbonated. I mean, really hanging around. That kind of sweet character really hanging around for me. Bitterness is nice. Not as bitter as I think Kurt's. More bitter than mine. Mouthfeel, super thin, but doesn't wash off the palate quickly. The sweetness kind of hangs out, spends some time with you, wants to sit on the couch, maybe chit-chat a little bit, which is really nice. Really crisp. A very, very clean beer. Very well done. It's hard to get a true sense on how clear it is. I do think there's some chill haze going on. But you can see Kurt's logo when I turn it around. I mean, you can see the outline of the logo very nicely. I don't know how well that comes through on cam. But this is a very nice beer. Really, really, this is the most well-balanced of all of them so far that I've had, of the few I've had. It's very, very nice, very well-balanced. All right, rankings time. Rankings time. I'm going to go, we'll move mine and Kurt's down one. Pop Matt up there at first place with the biscuit malt. I have used biscuit malt off and on. If I had a bad beer with biscuit malt in it, it wasn't because of the biscuit malt. Biscuit malt can be fun. That's a fun beer. This is a fun beer. I think the biscuit malt does this beer really, really well. And at 14.6% of the malt bill, that's not, just a couple ounces. You're going in with some on that, which I can appreciate. Really, really nice beer. Thanks so much, Matt. On to the next one. Thanks so much for watching. L'chaim.